Good morning, student. Welcome to Bachelor Education in Senior Primary Maths 2, 2020 exam-based contact session. My name is Dr. S.E. Akpo. Outline for the presentation. Here, answer an exam question, example that show the type of understanding that is required to answer questions successfully in the exam and contact details. Tips on answering exam question. Read all questions carefully. Manage your time. Please answer the question required. Do not leave any question blank. Ensure you guided by remarks only for each question. More emphasis on formula and concept understanding. Collect, organize, and interpret data. By what percentage did the number of infected pregnant women increase from 1992 to 1996? During which period year did we have the highest rate of infection window? So you have to look at the graph and then you answer the questions. Then collect, organize, and interpret data. Using the data in the figure below, you have the key telling you what it represents. A dot represents that. A whole person represents that. So now you have the key on the right-hand side to guide you to answer question 1 to 6. Using data on figure 1 above, answer question 1 to 6. How many learners walk to school? How many learners use the bus to school? How many learners use bicycle to school? How many learners travel by car to school? What's the total number of learners in 1.4 above? Write the total number of 5 in expanded form. Concept, principle, operation with whole numbers, number system. Given the following numbers, you are required to identify the component of number system as well as even number, prime number, odd numbers. So you'll be asked to, you must know what are even numbers, what are prime numbers, what are odd numbers. Using BODMAS, for example, work out the following. B stands for those things in the bracket. O stands for off, we change it to multiplication. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. And the last operation is subtraction. Terminology of an operation with decimal fraction. Estimate number, for example, to 1 and 2 decimal places, 1 and 2 significant figure, and decimal places. Learn more of that from the guide. Terminology operation with money. You have a grocery shop. You buy 10 of each of these products shown below, direct from the manufacturer at the price given. The prices are written there on the label. Excuse me. What's the total number that you pay to the manufacturer for the goods? If you sell each of the product for twice the price, you are paid for the how much? If you make out the profit that calculated in 1.2 above, did you make good business? Express the answer in 1.2 to the nearest 100. Express this to 1 decimal place. Terminology operation for measure of length. Length deals with centimeters and meters and kilometers. Mass deals with weight. You have grams and kilograms and 10. Capacity deals with volume. Volume here, you talk about milliliters, you talk about liters. At a party at your house, you want to give 200 milliliters of yogurt to each guest. You have 40 guests. How many liters of yogurt will you buy? And then if one of the containers that you buy, the yogurt, can hold 5 liters of yogurt, how many containers must you buy? At the same time, you are required to give 100 grams of to each case. How many kilograms of cheese must you buy? If 1 row of cheese has a mass of this, how many rows must you buy? 2 athletes complete in 500-meter race. If the track is 400 meters long, how many times must each athlete go around the track to complete the race? The terminology for and reading of time. You have departure, arrival, You have the weekdays as Sunday, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and the time specified. This time for departure, is time for arrival. Then terminology for reading of time continue. On what days does the train leave Windhoek? On what time does the train arrive in Kransbeek? How long did it take the train to reach Kransbeek? How long does the train stop in Okahanja? What is the total number of journey by train? What is the total number for the train by journey by train from Windhoek to Chiwarongo? Explain the total in 7.5 above in second. Explain 7.6 to the nearest 100. Then here terminology of operation with 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional. Here you have to know what is perimeter, how to calculate the perimeter, the area. The perimeter shape is this. Calculate the length. From the diagram on the left-hand side, calculate the perimeter. The rectangle has size of this, find the area, and so on. And so you'll be required to calculate the perimeter of the left-hand side shape and calculate the perimeter of a square of side 6 centimeters. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.